Hey guys, welcome to day 5 of the 40 days of pours. Here is the dried result. You can actually see you can tell it's silver now. Instead, it kind of looks white in the photos. And I think it's still drying in the middle. And I have learned my lesson on testing that. So I am just going to believe that it's not dry yet and let it keep drying and move on to our pour for the day, which is going to be a traveling tree ring. It's going to be just like yesterday's, only today we are going to move it around on the canvas. So today I am going to be using Liquitex Basics Titanium White. I think that. Liquitex Basics Teal, or I'm not quite sure what the actual name of it is because I didn't write it on the side of the bottle. That's my bad. And then Mars Black. And some gold. I might want to end with a little more white. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start from this side and I'm going to pour that way and then kind of like loop around it in a rectangular shape. That's how I like to do my traveling tree rings. I just want to get the corners. Alright, I'm actually going to torch it before I move it. I don't have any silicone in here. So I'm just trying to get the air bubbles out, really. Alright, so that's definitely interesting. It's not one of my favorite pours, I'll say. I think I should have used, like, if I'd used different colors, I think it would have come out a little better. But that was my challenge, so I like it. I don't really like it. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. I don't really like this at all, but I don't know how to move it to get it to how I do like it because the gold kind of looks sandy. And I like the teal more. So I'm gonna pull that out, actually. I think I've stretched it enough now. I actually like it a lot better now. Now that the blue has come out and you can see the gold is not taking over so much, I like it a lot better. Kind of looks like an abstract waterfall or something. All right, well, thank you guys for tuning in today, and I will come back in with a close-up for you. Okay, here is our close-up. In this corner, we have kind of some nice webbing going on. And then a gold overload up here. But I'm liking how you can kind of see the black underneath it. And then I like the darker mixture in this corner. So thank you guys for tuning in for this traveling tree ring pour. If you guys have color suggestions for the next video, please let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys tomorrow.